Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how we can boost signal on Android mobile phone. Let's get to it. First of all, on the top of the screen, we're going to scroll down to go to notification panel, and after that we can turn on the airplane mode. Alright, and we gotta wait for a few moments, and after that we can turn it off. Alright, and actually there is another way to boost the signal on Android mobile phone. We can go to settings app on our phone, and this is the settings app. Just tap on it. Then there will be several options for us, and we have to choose connection, guys. Just click on the connections, then click on SIM card manager. It's right here. Just tap on it, and you can choose the SIM card that you want to boost the signal. For example, I'm going to boost the signal of the SIM 1, so just turn off the SIM 1 by clicking on this toggle button. Then click on OK, and you have to wait for a few moments. After you turn off the SIM card, you can turn it on. Alright, and just click on OK. Alright guys, and that's how we can boost the signal on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.